Regex matching char only if a specific char appeared before, conditional regex. Developing a mobile, Israeli, phone number regex. Currently I have, which catches most use cases. The problem is matching the second parenthesis only if a first one parenthesis appears. So, 055 minus 5,555,555 or 0555,555,555 or 0555555555 would match. But 055 minus 5,555,555 wouldn't. I know I can use two regex to test for the condition. If the first one matches, test for the other condition, but that doesn't seem like a smart solution. I guess I need something like a regex lookaround, but not sure how to use it, or that I understand the concept correctly. Edit, explaining the logic. The area code should start with 5 and then a single digit number from a specific list with an option 0 before. Also possible that would be inside a parenthesis. Then an optional hyphen. And 7 digits. Clarification, I need to match both parentheses only if the other one exists. That true also for the first one, not only for the second one. Missed that point.
First you must capture the opening parenthesis, and then use a conditional pattern. I know the link is to php.net, but I find it useful when referencing regexes. It also includes an example which exactly matches your case. That will only be applied if the first opening parenthesis is matched. The pattern will match but not captured groups. The opening parenthesis empty if not found, area code, e.g. 55, the phone number, e.g. 5,555,555. How it works. The part, question mark matches the opening parenthesis. It's optional. The part, question mark, 1 backslash, checks if the first captured group, in our case the opening parenthesis, has a match. If yes, then the string must also match the closing parenthesis. If no opening parenthesis has been found, the condition is effectively ignored.
Use the question mark id/name yes pattern vertical bar no pattern syntax to match the closing parenthesis only if the opening parenthesis matched. The question mark 1 backslash part matches backslash if there is a group 1. The no pattern is optional. Demo.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.